Hello everyone, welcome to Canada Driving Experts. Today I want to show you how to do three-point turn. I'm driving, then I will do three-point turn. Pretend the examiner is asking you. So whenever the examiner is asking you do three-point turn, so check the rear view mirror, side view mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, come close by curb. Once you approach, stop, signal to the left, turn the steering wheel, and at the meantime check rear view mirror, side view mirror, blind spot. Come here. Once you come close by, from here you need to see the mirror is on the top of the curb. You can see it means you cannot go forward anymore. So if you go forward, you're gonna hit the curb. Shift the gear to reverse, signal to the right, turn the steering wheel, and while turning the steering wheel, check left, right. And also this is very important, while reversing, check back from here. Once you come a little bit, then you need to check the mirror. If the mirror is at the middle of the road, you can see the middle of the road. If you see the mirror is at the middle of the road, at that time shift the gear to drive, signal to the left. So check left, right, and go. Easy. So I will do it again. So when he's asking you do three-point turn, so you need to check rear view mirror, side view mirror, then after 2-3 second signal, blind spot to the right. Once you come close by curb, stop, signal to the left, turn the steering wheel, and while turning the steering wheel, check rear view mirror, side view mirror, and blind spot. Come here, one from here. Once you come enough forward, shift the gear to reverse, signal to the right, turn the steering wheel, and check left, right. And also while reversing, you must watch a little bit reverse. So once the mirror is at the middle, shift the gear, turn the steering signal, check, and go. That is what you need to do. Thank you for watching.